Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. Today we are going to make coffee using the glass mocha pot from Ruima. So mocha pots, I know a lot of you already know what this is, but if you're new to the mocha pot, very simple device. We got the base, you're gonna put the water in it. You got the filter basket with the grounds, coffee grounds, and the top. Just lock it in. This one is stainless steel, so I'm gonna be using induction stovetop, but you can use stovetop as well. Very simple to use and really easy. Okay, the one thing you have to remember, okay, is all about the grind size. Okay, I know a lot of people complain about how bitter this is, but you have to get the right grind size. So what is the right grind size? I did a lot of research on it. And you want to be coarser than espresso, so that's what we're gonna do. We are going to use 20 gram. Let's see, 20 gram of big house beans from California. And so this one, chocolate, raisin, cherry. So it's gonna be a somewhat bright flavor of coffee. So I can't wait to try this. First, we are going to grind some beans. We're gonna be using 20 gram. Now we have grind beans ready, and then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use cold water for this, and I'm planning on using hot water instead. So I think I did some research on it. A lot of recipe calls for hot water, so I'm going to heat up some hot water here. So now hot water is ready. I'm going to put the water right below the valve there, as you can see right there. Just make sure, be careful, it's going to be nice and hot. Just below the valve. I'm going to prepare the filter basket here. Flip. So you don't want to pack it, okay? You want it to be nicely spread. I'm just going to put it in like so. Actually use the towel. It's going to be nice and hot. Now I'm going to start my induction stovetop. I set it medium high for the temperature. As you can see, coffee is starting to boiling, and I'm going to be stopping the power when mocha pot makes this gurgling sound. I'm going to cool down the mocha pot here. I thought the grinder size was too coarse, so I thought overall flow was too fast. But you know what? Let's try this anyway. Smells wonderful. So I'm using Acme cup from 8-ounce cup, 8-ounce coffee supply. Cheers. Wow. You know what, guys? This is surprisingly really good. Okay, I thought it's gonna be sour, or you know, it was somewhat okay. Personally, I don't like strong coffee, but this one is quite nice. Wow, because I can taste all the different flavors, different complexity. Let's see, what's the profile here? Okay, let's read this. So you got raisin, cherry, and chocolate. I mean, this thing is extremely smooth. I'm really surprised. Okay, I thought it's gonna be too weak, but I mean, personally I like weak coffee, but man, this is not bad at all. Really good. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question or comment, please down below as well. And then I'm going to put their link, this mocha pot link down below if you guys are interested. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys next time.